Specificity can only happen if you are making choices that are in line with the text, meaning that everything you do has something to do with your character's story moving forward, as well as your story moving forward. It is not your job to rewrite the script because you have some instinctual idea. Have your instincts in relationship to the text that a writer has been paid to write. Meaning, everything that you've been given in regards to the environment, everything that you've been given in regards to the objects in that environment have all been specifically mapped out for you as the actor, as it pertains to what you need, what you are doing in relationship to your character's life, and that's driving the story forward. And within that, you have an artistic job to do. And that artistic job to do is take the life that the writer has given you through those given circumstances and start to build a life within you so you then can live truthfully under the imaginary circumstances and be able to live instinctually in the space in an uninhibited, unpredictable way with your partner. So it's your job as the actor to make sure that everything you're doing is substantially living inside you, so none of that becomes gratuitous, and you can start living with these instinctual moments. But all that stuff has to be ingrained in you as you build the life of the character. All action that takes place in this space is not taking place just for action to happen. Everything you do internally and externally is a marriage to achieve what you want. And sometimes what you do externally doesn't match what the truth of the internal world is. So nothing becomes gratuitous, nothing becomes just something. Everything has a purpose, everything has a reason based on what's going on in the internal life of the character. And then notice the similarities you have to what that character does and goes through, right? And see what you easily can connect to. But then look at those places where there's a separation. And that's really where the work needs to start, where you need to internally start connecting to that so you can bring those things that seem so distant from you alive.